Some recipes are not merely recipes, but just a truckload of memories on the taste buds. Hello and welcome to our new series, Memories on a Plate, where we will share recipes that I grew up eating throughout my childhood. These nostalgic recipes are intimately connected to my core memories. For episode 1, we have Bengali Chana Dal, which has been prepared at our home on almost every special occasion or party that we have ever hosted. Not to mention that it has always been the star of the show, and the same dish can be made for any religious celebrations as well by just eliminating the onion and garlic from it while keeping the rest of the recipe the same. The use of whole garam masala and subtle sweetness of the coconut is what makes Bengali Chana Dal different from usual Chana Dal. You can find the full recipe in the description box. This Chana Dal recipe also serves as one of the most important constituent of a very famous Bengali breakfast or brunch option, Cholar Dal or Luchi, a combination that you must try once in your life. Whenever I eat this dal, I am immediately transported back to those adorable birthday parties where I cared a lot less about food and life was more about playing, dancing and jumping around with friends. Just like how a whiff of a particular scent or perfume can wash you over with a flood of emotions, memories, I believe food has a similar power to take you back in time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to see more such videos, then please subscribe to our channel, The Kunar Cooks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.